Hey everyone! Look at how red my nose is from thawing out from that cold studio today. Ugh, it was freezing in there. So the topic that I thought of today is a little advice as to what not to put in your portfolio. And I'm talking about glam, and I'm talking about tits and ass glam. Let's get real. So, are you still there? Okay, I'm back. Sorry. So let's talk about this. When we all get started, we're all looking for photographers to work with, and the ones that are always eager to work with the makeup artist is typically a glamour photographer who does a lot of boudoir shoots, bikini shoots, tits and ass stuff. And when you're first starting out, sometimes that's where you start. We all have to start somewhere, right? I started there. Some of my first shoots were all TNA, but here's the deal. So the reason I'm bringing this up is I've had a couple of makeup artists ask me to look through their websites. And as I'm going through their websites, I can see, there's sort of the levels of work that they've done through the history of their careers. And they have some tits and ass stuff in there. But then they have like some really nice bridal, and they have a little bit of fashion. They've got some clean makeup, but the TNA is still in their book. There's no reason for that stuff to be in your book if you've already moved on from it, because if you want to stop getting those calls, if you want to be taken seriously as a professional makeup artist, you gotta get rid of that glam. People will not take you seriously. If somebody is calling around looking for a makeup artist for a commercial or a print job, I'm talking about the jobs that pay you money, the TNA stuff isn't gonna get you much work. Don't get me wrong, I worked in Vegas for 12 years and I did a ton of glam because Vegas is the land of glam, it's the land of that sort of sexy glam thing. But I have to tell you, I have so much content like that I never even put in my book. Stuff that was published, stuff that was on billboards. I never put it in my book because even though I got those jobs, the images from those jobs actually didn't get me the job. It was always my super clean makeup that always got me the job. And as a matter of fact, I used to work with this one director, and he would when I first started working with them, he's like, I really love your work and I want to do real clean makeup. And then we'd get to the set and the client would be like, oh no, we need more eyeliner and more lipstick and bigger hair. And so he'd go, okay, slut her up. And so that ended up being the joke. Every time we'd get these jobs, he'd go, okay, Mary, slut her up. And so that's what I would do. I'd be like, okay, I got a 30-minute slut. I've got the 30-minute slut down. Anyway, take that crap out of your book. Now, if I do not want to see boudoir in your book if you want to be a boudoir makeup artist, then go for it. But if you're coming to me and you're telling me, I want to get better jobs, I want to get higher paying jobs, I want to do commercial, I want to do print advertising, I want to do fashion, then you got to take the TNA out of your book. It's got to go. I don't care how hard you worked on that shoot. I don't care how married you are to that shoot. You've got your best friend as the model, Don't marry your pictures. Don't marry the pictures in your portfolio. So many people do that, where they get so invested, like you invest in a bad relationship, you can invest your feelings into a bad image that's in your portfolio, and you just can't give it up. I have images in my portfolio of my beautiful sister, who's no longer with me, that, I'm so married to those pictures, but those pictures, they don't get me any work. As much as I'm emotionally attached to them, they're bad for business. And that's just what some of your images are. They're bad for business. And you need to graduate into better and better images. So what you do is you have this image, and once you get a better image, you get rid of the image that was so-so. You kind of rotate the images out of your portfolio. And especially the TNA pictures, the glam pictures, the boudoir pictures. I don't want to see a naked girl in your portfolio. If it is a fine art fashion shot that looks like Bruce Weber shot it, we'll talk. But if it's an amateur photo of some bad lingerie and some black makeup with red lipsticks, get that crap out of there, because that's all it's going to get you is more crap. If you want more of that crap shoot, then keep it in your book. But if you want something that's going to actually pay you money, that's going to go, you know, on national television, or it's going to go in a nationwide publication, then keep your work clean and keep it commercial, keep it mainstream. Lifestyle is great to have in your book because lifestyle pays. Lifestyle makes you money. But all of that sex stuff is just going to get you more sexy glam work. And like I said, hey, if that's what you want to do, go for it. But if you want to demand higher rates and get better clients, then get it out of there, okay? So that is my rant for you today. Keep it clean, keep it, and even when I say clean, like, it doesn't have to always be like a no makeup look, but no lines, just beautiful makeup is really what you want to strive for. So if you're coming to me and you're telling me how can I make my website work for me better, then you got to clean house. You got to go through your website like you go through your closet and you get rid of those old clothes. You got to get rid of the old pictures too. All right? So that's what I've got for you today. Let me know what you guys think. Comment, say hi, and I'll catch you next time. Have a good one. Bye, guys.